Have you ever tried making AI video ads only for them to end up looking totally fake, unnatural, or just plain low effort? To spark real conversations, your AI ads need to look authentic, like genuine, scroll-stopping, user-generated content. Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes to build a production-ready AI UGC ad completely from scratch, using cutting-edge tools that guarantee full character realism and hyper-consistency. Max Fusion lets you build an ad from start to finish all in one place, but you still need a real creative angle and a professional approach to make it work. You shouldn't just let AI auto-write everything without some human input. You really need to treat this like a professional portfolio piece if you want to make sure the final result is top-notch. We're now in the dashboard, so let's go ahead and start a new ad from scratch and take it from there. I'm going to go ahead and select New Project. Now, what we're going to do is basically take this carefully crafted prompt. This is basically a little script that I just wrote up here, and we're going to go ahead and choose an actor to use it with. We'll pick this gentleman right here. We're going to save. So we've saved that actor there. Let's go ahead and generate the video.
A confident, charismatic actor stands in a clean, modern studio with soft cinematic lighting, speaking directly to the camera like in a high-end online ad. They're advertising an online course that teaches beginners how to build a profitable digital side hustle from home, step by step, even if you have no experience. The tone is inspiring but natural, not too salesy. The actor explains that the course includes simple lessons, real examples, templates, and practical steps students can follow at their own pace. And with a strong call to action. Start today, learn the skills, and build something that can change your future.
Pretty impressive. Now we're going to go over and check out Seed Dance 2.0. Let's go ahead and view all models. Seed Dance 2.0. Now we're going to go ahead and select an image here. So we can go ahead and maybe just generate an image. That's really cool too. So if you don't already have an image, we can generate one. So we'll just say handsome young actor, tall, dark, and handsome. So you can see like the prompt can be pretty simple. So I'll generate our image. Okay, so our tall, dark, and handsome man has been generated. Now we're going to drop him in here, and you can basically take a look. All right, so the image has been dropped in there. And then what we're going to do is basically describe our video right here. This is the image that we generated. Let's generate. That's in the images section, and we'll wait for that video to come through with the ad script for our winning ad. And as we can see, you've got that example of the video, and then we bring that over to the image. It keeps that consistency with the character, which is really cool. Now let's go ahead and show you all the Kling 3.0 model here. So we're going to open up Kling 3.0 Pro right now. All right, so with 3.0, let's do the final touches right now. We can generate that. Let's have a look. The clip's ready.
Transform your life with our new online course. Join us today and start your journey.
Wow, that is seriously impressive. Super accurate. And most importantly, folks, please remember before you sign up and start generating with Max Fusion, don't do anything silly. Like, don't post anything online that's illegal, like anything related to drugs, gambling, pornography, scams, or fraud. Just be really careful with that and have fun. If you want to start generating production-ready, hyper-realistic UGC ads without hiring expensive actors, click the link below to get your tokens and access Max Fusion AI today.